Hello, welcome. We're going to look at how to fix bug on TikTok. So let's get right into it. First, I recommend you search your browser. You say, is TikTok down? This is to check if it's a general downtime. So we search, is TikTok down? I like to use down detector, which is always first on the tab. So when you click that, here's to check the statistics of reports of downtime on Snapchat. So if there's a spike or growth in this report at the present time you're checking it, that means Snapchat is generally down. And if not, then I recommend you go ahead to search your internet speed. So you search internet speed test, and then you run a test for your internet to see if your internet is running. You do a speed test to make sure you're on a strong internet connection. If you have a good internet, then I recommend you go ahead to your settings so you're able to offload your TikTok app. So you go up to your settings. In your settings, you click on general, then you click on iPhone storage. Now you click on the search bar on the top right to search for TikTok app, and that's much faster. And once you're there, you offload your TikTok app and reinstall your TikTok app. So by doing that, you've cleared the bug and any cache. I hope this was helpful to you, and let me know on the comment section below. If you are new here, please go ahead to subscribe and like.